CNC corner cleaning machine with 3 cutters. Used for cleaning top and bottom surface and also outside corner. 2-axis CNC system for cleaning 90-degree welding corner. Easy to make program. Can store 100+ programs for different profiles processing. Easy to operate and easy to maintain. High processing precision due to size error compensation function. Famous brand of servo drive system, CNC system, solenoid valve, air treatment unit, and so on ensure reliable performance and long using life. Front location device and clamping air cylinders can fix profile well.